I love a good bubble as long as I'm in the stocks before the bubble happens. Then bubbles are great. People usually don't know about these until they go up. There's a point when a stock goes up on either fundamentals or expectations of improving fundamentals. And then what happens is it changes to a bubble, or let's say at least overvalued, when investors go from buying a stock based on improving fundamentals or expected improvements in fundamentals to buying a stock because it's just going up. In other words, stocks should go up, a cause and effect, if you will. Improved financial metrics, improving fundamentals drives a stock higher. Or what happens is the stock goes higher because investors see the stock going higher. So they went in on the action just because the stock is going higher. They interpret that to mean everything is good. I don't have to do the homework. But if that's the only reason why you're buying a stock, that's when you get into trouble. It's called momentum. That's what momentum investing, momentum trading is all about.